Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, at the Manor Ranch 2023 Lawnmower Challenge. The contestants, the destination, the return. It'll be a tight race, folks. Are you ready? Gentlemen, start your engines! When my hand goes down, you go. On your mark, get set, go. I'm gonna die. Phil already thinks he wins. Now, if he cannot run in the ditch, maybe he will. Oh, he's patting his mower on the behind. I see you, baby. Oh, we're in the ditch. Oh, we're not. Okay. Oh, don't die. What is he doing? What is he doing? Oh, Philip, come on. You're killing me. What did he shut it off? He shut it off. Oh my goodness. Nate's got the turnaround. Don't run into your father. Oh my goodness, I thought Phil was gonna dump it. And it's Philip for the win. Here he comes, folks. Here he comes, folks. He's got his piece of pink. Oh, and then you have this mad driving beauty out here.